Iconic Jamaican reggae and dancehall pioneer Daddy U-Roy has died.
Yeah. So I want to say to you people, that whether you're black or whether you're white, you all are precious in your Rastafari side, and I love you. So blessed be the name of the Most High Jah. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Wait the town and tell the people about the musical disc coming your way.
Viewers, the legendary entertainer reportedly died in Jamaica on Wednesday night, the 17th of February. Preliminary reports are that he suffered an heart attack. He was 78 years old. U-Roy, born Ewart Beckford on the 21st of September 1942, grew up in the Jonestown area of Kingston. The great man is credited with popularizing the art of toasting on reggae rhythms in the early days of dancehall, when sound systems were king. U-Roy was influenced by early toaster Count Machuki and started his professional career as a DJ in 1961 on Dickie Wong's sound system, originally called Dr. Dickie's, which was later changed to Dickie's Dynamic. He later moved to Sir George Atomic Sound System. Beckford then worked on Sir Coxsone Dodd's sound system, where he ran the number 2 set, while King Set ran the main set. Also known as the originator, he emerged at a period when reggae music and its now hugely popular offspring dancehall was frowned upon by the wider society and was seen as the music of the uneducated and the uncultured. In 1970, John Holt, who was the lead vocalist of the Paragons at the time, heard Beckford toasting over a Duke Reid track at a dance. Holt recommended U-Roy, and soon after an informal recording deal was arranged. His Way to Town and Wear You to the Ball, featuring John Holt, were huge hits, and he followed up with several other chartbusters, including Creation Rebel, Chalice in the Palace, and Dread in a Babylon.
Now wait the town and tell the people I've got a musical disc like in a bush to believe. Like a plain musical disc with straight.
The success of Dread in a Babylon led to a series of Tony Robinson-produced albums, Natty Rebel in 1976, Rasta Ambassador in 1977, and Jason of Africa in 1978. Beckford's international popularity led to the album Natty Rebel being released in 1976 on Virgin's imprint Frontline label in Nigeria, as well as in France and on Virgin and Polydor. He was also the owner of the Sturgraph sound system, which nurtured the careers of veteran DJs such as Charlie Chaplin, Josie Wales, Supercat, among others. In 1980, the pop group Blondie had a worldwide hit with the reggae track The Tide Is High, which prompted Virgin to re-release the original Paragons track from the 1967 and the 1971 U-Roy version as a single that year. U-Roy's most recent album is Pray for the People, which was released in 2012. In 2007, he was awarded the Order of Distinction by the government of Jamaica for his pioneering musical exploits.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So can I look around all of you put on this ground? All our minutes to the godfather of the music, to the father who set it. We're foundational. Big up Shabara. We're aspirational. We're inspirational. One and only the greatest DJ of all times. Daddy Roy.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!